Hi, I'm divorce and family law attorney Kyle Scoresby. This video is going to be kind of explaining what family law is. A lot of people don't know. Sometimes people think family law means that I practice with my children or with a sibling or something like that. Sometimes people think family law means that I'm kind of like a family doctor and I do everything. But that's not what family law is. Family law is the law of family relationships. Now, at the front end, this could include doing a premarital agreement for someone who's about to be married. But most often, family law lawyers are involved when family relationships unravel. So, divorce is kind of the mainstay of a family law lawyer's practice. And then, along with divorce, and there are many issues that go along with the divorce, but then after the divorce, sometimes there can be modifications that are needed. If the parties have children, there could be an issue of modification of child custody, modification of child support, maybe even modification of spousal support. Then often there are cases involving children out of wedlock. Those are also family law cases. We call those paternity cases. So in those cases, there's the issue of establishing paternity, establishing child custody and parenting time, child support, and then again on those cases, sometimes after they're finalized, there can be issues of modification, modifying the parenting schedule, modifying child support, and so on. So if you have a family law case, anything that falls within that realm, and you need help on your matter, please contact our office for assistance.